Hi, welcome to Market Alert for Friday, the 14th of February 2020. So the Fed liquidity drain spoils virus surged inspired stock buying panic. Basically what they mean here is that the Fed actually want to stop the overnight liquidity to the banks. Well, that will be an interesting one for sure if they do. That's what caused a bit of uncertainty in the market yesterday, but of course it then moved the market to the upside of the initial fall. So let's have a look at this. Again, in the pre-market session, you can see prices on this occasion were forced lower. We then see the buying coming in, and then we get the retracement, and the market makes its way back to where it started to fall from, back to the DP level. The market opened, shot up, didn't hold, had to have its shakeout, and then we see the buying coming in. We then get the 76% retracement, and this one is actually like most bang on the button here from this low to the high under the 200 MA there. You'll see 76%. The market then closes back above the 50, above the 200, and then we're off to the upside, and we see prices move 100 points, no problem at all. And then in the evening, we've got prices trading sideways. Let me just reactivate the move tool there. So yeah, we get a bit of a pullback, and then before the close, we see prices being sent back to the highs, not back to the all-time high. It didn't quite do it. It started off well here, and then it had a bit of a sell-off for the rest of the or the remaining part of the evening session, trading back down to the DP and the 200 MA there. So price is a bit sideways by the end of the session. News today, what have we got? Any bankers out? No, we've just got retail sales for Germany, and then the US at 1:30. We've got both retail and core retail, and that will be out before the market opens, so it's going to have to find its own direction this afternoon. Implied volatility up slightly with yesterday's indecision, which you can see there. But the same pattern in the stock market at the moment, continuing with that sell-off at the beginning, 76% retracement, and then moving higher. And Bitcoin yesterday, a lot of volatility yesterday, but wow, up and down. As you can see there, then the prices shot up, then they came back down, and then after that bit of a flurry of activity, the market did what it usually does. You can see there, market moving down, which was nice, started to move up, and then it was slammed till they bought it back, and then we've got 76 or just over 76% retracement, and then we go into the narrow trading range again that we see here in the usual pattern of less than $50. So very strange again that this activity that this market's displaying. It's not smooth at all. It's very erratic, as can be seen by the 4-hour and the daily chart, which is why the main event at the moment for me is the stock market. And overnight, we can see that prices are once again moving to yesterday's high. It traded up to it yesterday. You can see there a bit of selling coming into the market, moving prices lower, but we're above the 200 MA and the DP level at the moment for this market. So with that, I will conclude. There's not a lot else to say apart from the goal here will be to get the market back to the all-time high, which is a new one. Let me just mark this one up for you. And you see yesterday we came close to it, but just didn't quite do it. 29,567 is the new all-time high. Still heading towards that 30,000 level, which again, will they do it? I don't know, but we're not that far off. As you can see there, 30,000. That's 30,300. In fact, Let me just mark up the 30,000 level for you so that we can see. Let me make this a lot thicker, and I'll have a nice bright colour that we can see. We'll go with this purple as it's different there. So 30,000 is just around about this level here, just slightly over that. So that's where the market's got to trade to that 30,000, so not far away at all. As you can see at the all-time high there's only 400 plus points there to get the market to this all-time goal of 30,000. It'll be very interesting if the market does get to it. I bet it's hit with huge selling should prices get to this level. That's for sure. As it was the other day when it hit made a new all-time high as well. Intraday the market was sent back very, very quickly. Okay, that will do it for this one. As ever, thanks for watching. See you in the next one.